welcome to my channel. Today we'll see a few breakfast items in German and their pronunciations. So we'll start. First one is bread. Bread is a very basic thing in their breakfast. So bread is called as Brot, B-R-O-T, Brot. So now there are different types of breads there. So first one is, suppose for cheese bread, there is a German word called Käsebrot. Käse meaning cheese, K-A-S-E-A with umlaut. So Käse is cheese, so it is cheese bread is Käsebrot. Then comes for vegetable bread, it is Gemüsebrot. Gemüse is vegetables. Actually, there is a separate video on my channel called Names of Vegetables. You can go through it. I have explained names of vegetables there. So there are actually a lot of types of breads, but we'll not go into deep. Then comes butter. For butter, the spelling is exactly same as in English, but the pronunciation is butter. Same B-U-T-T, yeah, but the pronunciation is butter because whenever U comes, it is pronounced as U. Now, in butter category, there is peanut butter. It is called as Erdnussbutter. Erdnuss meaning peanuts. And butter is butter. So it is Erdnussbutter. Then honey. For honey, there is a German word called Honig. H-O-N-I-G, Honig. Whenever IG comes at the end of the word, it is pronounced as sh. So it will be Honig. Honey is Honig. For milk, it is Milch. Very much similar to English. M-I-L-C-H, Milch. Of course, water is there. It is called as Wasser. W-A-S-S-E-R, Wasser. Sometimes they will have cake also. It is called as Kuchen. K-U-C-H-E-N, Kuchen. The most famous cake, this Black Forest cake, is from Germany and it is called as Schwarzwälder Kuchen in Germany. So again, there are a lot of types of cakes. There will be a separate video on types of cakes. So then comes for croissant, the spelling is same, but the pronunciation will be croissant. It is croissant. Then egg is there. Egg is called as I, E-I-I. And for omelette, the spelling is same, but they will say omelette. They will say omelette. There is a soft bread roll kind of thing. It is called as Rotchain. That is also very famous there. These are there, the breakfast. So for example, suppose orange juice, it is called as Orangensaft. It is called as Orangensaft. So there is a separate video on my channel called Names of Fruits. You can go through it. There I am explaining the names of fruits. So you can add by yourself that any name of fruit, whatever fruit you want to add, and then Saft. Saft is juice. So it is kind of Orangensaft is orange. Of course, tea and coffee is there. For tea, they will say the pronunciation is tea. And the spelling is T-E-E. So the pronunciation is tea. And coffee, it is pronunciation is cafe. The spelling is K-A-F-F-E. Again, cornflakes are there. It is called as cornflakes. And we say, no, this muesli. In that, in Germany, they will say muesli. M-U, U with umlaut, S-L-I. It is very famous there, and they will eat it with milk. So these are the types of breakfast we have seen today. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.